Video. Okay, video lang natin. Tapos ka-capture na lang natin.
Ito po ang bulaklak.
Ayan po, wala po kong bayad. Mukhang walang bayad pre. Panalo tayo. Meron po ditong Tusam Palace. Ayan po dyan. Hello. Ay, mamaya, ayan, diretso kami dun mamaya sa may ano, papunta dun sa National Museum.
Right, tingin.
Ayan, okay. Yo, man. Yes.
Maglalakad.
We're here in the National
Museum
Museum Park
of the Philippines.
of the Korea. Okay, we're going up now. We are entering maybe 1,000 steps from here to the gate. Okay? See you later.